Hello and welcome back to Wallist Tutorials. Today we will be going over how to create an estimate on Wallist Service Management software. So let's go ahead and get started. Click on Estimates on the left menu. Click on New on the top right hand corner. This will get us into the estimate screen, and you have a couple different ways to pull up your client or customer. You can either create a new one from scratch. We did go over this in a previous video, or if you know the client's name, it will auto search it for you and we can pull it up that way, or we can pull it down from the drop down menu and find them that way. So let's go ahead and stick with David Jackson here, and we'll go ahead and say we're going to replace David's hot water heater in this estimate. So in previous videos we did go over how to create items, so I do have some of those built already. We'll go with labor and material, and I'm just going to give him a bulk bid. In that description in previous videos, I just did the general description of labor and material 1 year warranty. To make it easy, I just go ahead and if I want to edit it for a specific item, I would go in and put hot water heater. Just like that. And labor and material for that hot water heater is going to say, let's say $850. And we can mark if this is a taxable item. We will cover that in another video. But for now, we will just leave this untaxable. Click Save, and our estimate is created. If we do want to add sales tax, like I said, we can go in and mark it as taxable and put in the sales tax amount down here. Again, we will cover that in another video. Estimate number has not been generated yet. As soon as we save it, our estimate has been generated now. So estimate 1000. We have a couple things we can do from here. We can go ahead and email it to the client, and I have my own address in here. We'll go ahead and send it on over to myself, and I'll let you know what that looks like once I receive it. And while we're waiting for that to show up, oh, it already did. Let's go ahead and review the estimate. So I did get an email, and this is what it looks like as it comes in. And the customer can either approve it or decline it. We'll go ahead and approve it. So now that estimate should come back to me saying that this was approved, and I'll show you what that looks like. So estimate has been approved. It did bounce back to me and said, hey, David Jackson did approve this, so you know to go ahead and get him on the schedule for replacing that hot water heater. You will notice now that the status of the job has changed to approved instead of pending now. So we know that the job is approved. We can go ahead and get it scheduled. We will go over that in our next video. Thank you.